Hello guys, we are back. It's your boy Lord Porijo, Lord Porijo, Yamafitu from Mona Traders. It's my name, as you can call me, Tato Ernest Mafito. I'm from 1914, the first day Villas Mafitu. So, I'm currently based in South Africa, born and bred in South Africa, Mafitu. So let's look on this chart, like which is now. I'm just chilling with my friend now, Mafitu, and then we decided like can hop on this market which is called Euro and with the dollar pairs. So let's start on analyzing it. So as you can see, it's already on a downtrend for quite some time now. It's already been a downtrend for quite some time. So we are currently gonna look, as you can see, it's gonna be higher lower lows and higher lows, lower lows and higher lows. So we can just start by drawing them. As you can see, it's more we are looking for those long buy, so long trades. We are looking for long trades of it. So we're not looking for price action trades or quick fast trades. So we are looking for the long trades. So let's look it on here. Now I'm just gonna draw you to show me this higher highs and these lower lows and lower highs. So you can check down. It's been going down and down and down. So as you can see, this trend is going in down form. So it's creating lower lows and lower highs. So now as you can check here, it looks like this current has been changing now. It's starting to notice a change. So now it can change like that. It can confuse you. But already this line is already the support. And then now it has been broken. And then now it's acting as a resistance. So it's called a double top touch, this one. So where two similar lower lows are touching being restricted or being rejected from this resistance zone. So we call it a double top hit. So now as you can see, the bigger, which is as you can look at the bigger lower lows and bigger lower highs, you can check the market is still on a downward form. So currently we are looking at this one. The high currently is opening this one in the already seated double bottom, double top. So which called makes this flag area resistant. So currently we are on this demand zone where we believe this time of age the market is still consolidating. So as you can check, these higher heights are still trying to like call like a change in the market to like opening more higher highs or something. But now as you can check out that area, it's currently only touching like 2 times. This way we can really call it a manipulation, because the market will want always like going in a best formula or same highs or same lower lows. So this one you can call it a manipulation day. A manipulation page. So we are just looking for a retest inside the things between this resistant, this latest resistant and this latest support area. So we are looking so that to tell us where should we open a sell or should we open a buy. So currently due to analysis here, we can check this area like it's being like kind of being resistant. So here at this line, in this area, I'm expecting a buy. Here in this area, I'm expecting a buy to retest this line, to test that line. So that's how I'm looking at. So just at that area from this first demand zone, from the latest demand zone being created here at the time frame, I'm looking for a buy. So as you can check here, we are using the formula of the imbalances. You can check here, it was deep consolidation here, the consolidation, meaning the market wasn't having a clear direction where to move, or where to the price will move, or where the price is either the price will go up or either the price will go down. So now it has broken this thing. So between these areas, as you can check here, this was a first, which was supposed to be a second supply, and it didn't work out. But currently, we are looking at this demand zone here, which had created to break this latest high, so that we can create a new high and higher high there. So breaking this high, breaking the latest high, it shows that this here is being driven here. We should expect a buy between these two blue lines, between these blue areas, which are called demand zones. Between these two demand zones, we should expect a buy position there. So it's either it can just move from here to here, because the impulse started from this lower low, so it can open up to here. We should expect those buys. So this one we can do the first buy. If it didn't happen, we can expect also a buy here on that price. So we should just do that like currently now. So let's open. Please give me. So that's how we should do it, and currently at our current stage. So we can change a color here. So we should expect this buying unit around these areas, but we should really focus that there can be induced areas, which is when we can look as if like this area can be a buy at any time. We can expect the buy here. It's fine. Come to here, and then our stop loss is in this area. So we can expect the buy up to there, but we can find out the market will crash us and put that on a stop loss. So the open later on this extreme buy, when it was being driven by this big push, like this big impulse from this previous lower low that had broken the first the previous higher high. So to create this higher high, so we can in this area we can expect a change of character or a double bottom from recent uptrend. So it's this one. We can put there. Put this one here. So we are only hunting for those kind of stop trades. The first trade is for to test or not to be left out from the entire play out of this price, because currently we are looking at as a retest to this demand area, to this blue area of this blue box. So to that blue box, we are expecting a buy, but we are expecting it to be a change of character in the price. So currently we can also be looking at the latest. If we are pulling the stock out from this trade, we can look at the latest buy position, which is going to be driven by this latest lower low. So we can also be on the trade again, to be back on the trade and expect much big profit. So now, as you can check, we are already placing my buy limit currently on my MT4. So that's how we should work. That's how we are operating at this level. So in that check, I'm already placing a buy limit. So on this chart of USD, so we have just placed these two positions of our trade. So these two positions are already been placed. So now we should expect a playout on these two current trades. So on the first trade, on the first position, we can expect a stop loss to the price will hit a stop loss. We can expect the price to hit a stop loss on this area. So, but also we can also expect to be in position of buying in this area, which is not too far away. Let's open it here. Yeah, we should expect our buying move there. So that's how we should expect our buying move there. So here we can invest in our position, and that price, as you can see, can open for yourself for now. It's on 1,07689. We can open a buy limit at that price and then expect to take profit on 1,15705. And also, if that for the inconveniences or for the market being rude to us, we can also expect a buy limit here at this area, which will be on our second position, expecting for going for a buy into this price or into this chart. So we can expect again a buy limit there at 1,04808. We take profit there at 1,14710 and expect a stop loss of 1,01661. So the second stop loss for the first position, we're already expecting a buy there. So we're already expecting a buy there, guys. So let's keep it on that forward, and then let's check how the market will be playing out. So don't forget, on this page we are already looking for this buy trend for these long buy positions or long selling positions. So up until next time, guys, we can see as one trade as profit. Don't forget to tag us and follow us on Analysing. So let's make a video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel of YouTube on Traders, and we'll be out waiting for your comments, anything you can share that you don't mind. If you can share, that's not it.